Hey Salesforce channel. If you're ready to boost your sales, expand your markets, and pivot to more digital business practices, I hope I can be your wonderful guide. What do I know about it? Well, I have made dozens of courses and tutorials specifically about how to generate more sales using AI tools on my own YouTube channel, Code with Ania Kubów, but also as a business owner myself, I rely on these AI techniques daily. My name is Ania and I own Homebrew Coffee, a coffee business with multiple locations that I have streamlined using what I have learned in the digital transformation space. Today, I'm here to collaborate with Salesforce to answer your questions on the topic. So, I put out a poll on my YouTube channel, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and the results are in. We're going to start off by looking at how to generate more sales using AI. Then look at how to use social media to increase revenue, followed by looking at specific industries that benefit more from digital transformation in 2025, and if this is different to 2024. We will then end with how and where will software development evolve. So let's not waste time, let's get into it. First up, how can you generate more sales using AI? AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that's accessible to businesses of all sizes. Here are 4 ways that I leverage it for my own business or ones that I've helped streamline. Number 1 is personalized marketing. Use AI-driven tools to analyze customer data and deliver hyper-personalized offers. Customers are more likely to engage with recommendations tailored to their needs. Long gone are the days of simply whacking in your customer's first name into an email template. Thanks to your CRM data, you can use AI to suggest things they might like, such as clothing items based on their previous purchases, for example. Number 2 is predictive analytics. Tools like Google Analytics 4 help forecast trends, enabling you to anticipate customer demand and stock up accordingly. Number 3 is AI agents. While not traditional chatbots, advanced conversational AI like ChatGPT can guide customers through their purchasing journey, answer complex questions, and drive conversions. So, for example, if a user is logged into your site, they can do things such as ask what they bought last winter, or ask it to suggest items for their beach holiday based on previous purchase history. Number 4 is dynamic pricing. Use AI to adjust prices in real time based on demand, competitive pricing, or other market factors. This is especially effective in industries like e-commerce and travel. So, for example, if I was a holiday home company, I could set up AI to set the prices of the properties I manage based on the current rental market and lower the price if the time when a property being left empty for the night is close to being up. Tools that offer this in the holiday home market specifically are ones like hostaway.com. Now, of course there are more, but these are quite general ones that fit most online business models. Next, let's look at how to make social media a business by answering the question of how to use social media to increase revenue. Well, having a strong social media presence seems to be the essential for most businesses today. Luckily for us, there isn't always a need to hire one specific person to manage this. With tools to help automate and even create beautiful content for your business, it could be a free way to get more sales. Here is what I would suggest. Number 1 is bulk create your content. This means create content for the whole week that you can use. I would suggest blocking out some time on Mondays and creating one short video that you can repost across all your social media platforms, so Instagram, LinkedIn, X, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok if you can. I would stick to doing this weekly so the content is fresh. Number 2, make sure the content has a call to action. Decide what that is and implement it in each one. Whether it's a site visit or a purchase, say it out loud. Don't forget to check out my free 12-hour video course on my YouTube channel for more tips. Consider using tools like Canva if you cannot afford a video editor. Canva has many templates for videos that you can create and export. It also has plenty of cool AI features such as generative fill. Number 4, schedule content for the week using tools like Buffer. This should help you from repeatedly going back to socials outside of your blocked out time on Monday. Outside of the occasional interaction, of course. Number 5 is automate as many messages as possible. Use the features on your social platforms to their max. Number 6 is consider the integrated shopping features that platforms like Instagram and YouTube and similar offer. Make sure your products are easy to find and purchase directly on these platforms. Number 7 is data-driven campaigns. Use tools like Meta Ads Manager to analyze what content performs best and double down on strategies that generate engagement. All of these things should hopefully lead to some conversions for you and shouldn't take up too much of your time outside your Monday time slot if you set it up correctly. If you are comfortable with that workload, you might even consider influencer partnerships. If you have a budget, consider collaborating with micro-influencers who align with your brand. Their followers trust the recommendations, which can lead to direct sales. Now, are there specific industries that benefit more from digital transformation in 2025? And is it different from 2024? Absolutely. In 2025, we're seeing some industries benefit more significantly from digital transformation. Here are a few highlights. Number 1 is healthcare. Telemedicine and AI-driven diagnostics continue to grow, driven by advancements in wearable tech and patient data analytics. Number 2 is retail. The integration of augmented reality for virtual try-ons and AI-powered inventory management is setting retailers apart. Now you can try on the latest sneakers from the comfort of your own home. Not only does that benefit the customer, but the retailer can save not only on physical retail space, but on shipping returns if the shoes aren't to the customer's liking when tried on. Number 3 is manufacturing. Smart factories powered by IoT and AI are optimizing production and reducing waste. Number 4 is education. Online learning platforms are leveraging AI to provide adaptive learning experiences tailored to individual students. Imagine ChatGPT, but with an AI face students can relate to that has been trained on the student's learning style and even remembers all of the tests that students have ever taken, so the answer to every single one. Compared to 2024, the pace of change has accelerated due to improvements in AI accessibility, increased 5G adoption, and a greater push towards sustainable practices using digital tools. And finally, how and where will software development evolve? The landscape of software development in 2025 is evolving rapidly. As someone who creates tutorials on the latest AI advancements can attest to, it takes barely a few months these days for the version to be out of date and replaced. OpenAI, Gemini, and many AI models are constantly making changes to their documentation in a bid to keep ahead of the AI race. And here's some other things to expect. Number 1 is AI-driven coding. Tools like GitHub Copilot are transforming how developers write code, speeding up development cycles and reducing errors. Number 2 is low-code or no-code platforms. These platforms are making it easier for non-developers to create robust applications. This democratizes software development. Number 3 is focusing on security. With cyber threats on the rise, developers will prioritize integrating security into every stage of the development lifecycle. So, as you can see, many of the possibilities made possible by knowing how to code are going to be more accessible to everyone and hopefully kept safe. And for those who know how to code, there will be tools to eradicate the mundane, so you can focus on building faster and better. And that's it. I hope I have answered your questions, and if you have any more, please do comment below in the comment section, and hopefully me or the Salesforce team will get back to you.